honey, we're back with Luke. We've got him out by the plaza. All right, come on, let's shop for Valentine's over here. Come on. Yeah, they don't seem to have any good stuff here. Anyway, so you can see, I mean, he stays right with me now. Luke, got the pager on. Good. Down. Foot tap. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. Oh, he's a cutie, isn't he?
Yes, yes.
Turning with that pager. Good. Down. Little foot tap. Good girl. Honey boy. Good boy. So you're going to get your little treats like this one. Good. Good. No. Down. You're not going in there. Good boy. So if I want him to go, I'm going to start my pager. Heel. Heel. Remember, bro, he's got to be over on his hip. He's not over on his hip, so what I'm going to do is do my pager. I'm going to tap my... Good boy. All right, girl, more updates soon.